Cause okay.
But I have to get back home to finish my own story now.
There he goes. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for
Where?
eastern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Armada or near Wilmington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Armada around 7:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Richmond. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan.
The Bronte sisters.
Okay, bye-bye.